Hi friends, your Bose home speaker having trouble after an update. It becomes unresponsive or become inoperable during or immediately following an update. Try this method, but not be used, if the speaker was just restored to its factory default settings. In the recovery mode we use 3 buttons. Play, pause button, mute button, action button. First, on the speaker, press and hold the play and pause button for 10 seconds to reboot it. When the light ring begins pulsing white, follow the steps below within 10 seconds. Remember, do not rapidly press buttons. Wait 1 second between presses. Press the action button once. Press the microphone off button once. Press the action button a second time. Press the microphone off button a second time. The light ring will blink green to indicate the speaker has entered recovery mode. The light ring scrolls white from left to right while downloading and then from right to left while installing. This can take several minutes.
The light ring turns off. Turn on the speaker. All these process your speaker will be connected to a Wi-Fi network. If your device is not connected with a Wi-Fi, try to connect with Bose Music app. If Bose apps is not working, try this method. Putting home speaker system into the setup mode. Press and hold the volume down and play and pause buttons for 5 seconds. The top and bottom of the light ring glows amber when the speaker is in the Wi-Fi setup mode. On a computer or mobile device, open its Wi-Fi settings menu and connect to the network name that begins with Bose followed by the product name. For Android device users, a notification may appear stating that the Wi-Fi has no internet access. Open the notification and select Yes to stay connected. The final step is open a browser and open with IP address showing on screen. Select your home Wi-Fi network name from the drop-down list and enter the network password. Now your device will connect to a Wi-Fi network and then, you can start the recovery procedure.